Hey everyone, welcome to our channel Craftmosphere. Myself Preeti. Today we have an amazing makeover project that's perfect for adding a personal touch to a home decor. But before we start the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for future videos. In this video, I am showing you how to create a stunning makeover out of an ordinary things. So let's jump right in. This is a step stool we brought from Ikea a long back, and yeah, you can see the condition of it. It's really ugly. Find a clean, well-lit area where you can work. Lay down some newspaper to protect the surface. And this is leftover paint from our wall paintings, so I used it. You can use any paints which you have handy and enjoy the work. If your paint is runny or the condition of your table is worse, then you can go with second coat. If you are using acrylic colors, then go with gesso for first coat. And if you are using enamel paint, then it will be the best choice. And I am done with the first coat of paint. For the second coat, I created this beautiful turquoise color by adding green and blue color in white paint. And the color is really beautiful, and I started painting my second coat. And I'm done with the second coat, and it's really beautiful. So now I decided to go with boho painting and started working with it. So I chose bright and vibrant acrylic colors for painting. I'm really loving the process, and I continued same on lower part of the stool as well. Please comment below how the color combination looks. Now I started drawing leaves and flowers with black acrylic colors. Now I feel like I should buy 2 more stools and add to my decor. Comment below which artwork you like to see. Start drawing leaves, flowers, branches, etc. The process is really easy. You don't need much experience for it. Even though if you feel it tough and due to lack of time and patience, if you want to create something like this, you can use decoupage napkins and stick on it. It is much more easier than anything. It will look beautiful as well. Or you can go with any other painting. You can write any quotes on it. But I am really loving the process very much. We are done with our makeover. You can decor it at any corner of your house and add beauty to the place. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Give a thumbs up if you like the video. Thanks for watching. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.